Your rapid guide to the electromagnetic spectrum. So here goes. The electromagnetic spectrum, or EM spectrum, is made up of different types of electromagnetic radiation. They can be ordered in terms of frequency, wavelength, or energy. In terms of energy, on the left-hand side you'll have the radiation with the lowest energy, and on the right-hand side you'll have the radiation with the highest energy. Moving from left to right, first you've got radio waves, then you've got microwaves, and after that there's infrared radiation. Anything that is hot emits infrared radiation, and that would include the human body, a nice hot cup of tea, or the engines of a rocket at liftoff. Next, there is visible light. It's called visible light because it's the only part of the electromagnetic spectrum that our eyes can detect or see. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, and visible light are all forms of non-ionizing radiation because they don't have enough energy to remove electrons from atoms and in the process create ions. And given that the human body is made up of lots of atoms, that's got to be great news for the human body. But the last three types of radiation are ionizing radiation, which means that they can remove electrons from the atoms in the human body, which wouldn't be good news for the human body. First, there is ultraviolet radiation. A good thing to know is that there are three different types of UV: UVA, UVB, and UVC. And it's UVB and UVC that we have to be extra careful about because they can really do a lot of damage to the body. After that, there's X-rays, and as many of you already know, X-rays are used in healthcare and in medical imaging. And finally, the most dangerous of them all, gamma rays, which are the rays with the highest energy, and they are generated all over the universe. And instead of giving you superpowers like Bruce Banner in the Marvel films gains the power to become the Hulk, gamma rays would do you no good, to be honest. In fact, they'd make you quite sick, and depending on the dosage, could actually kill you. And one last important thing: all radiation types are natural. This means that they are naturally produced by processes on Earth or in outer space. And of course, the Earth and outer space are all part of the universe. So none of them are synthetic or artificial. None of them. I've been Dr. Barry Fitzgerald, the superhero scientist. Thanks for watching this short video on the electromagnetic spectrum, and stay tuned for more videos in the future.